today we have a guest who was on a podcast with Chalchitra where he recommended Ek Ladhi Pav, but Vaibhav recommended Fender Bender. So welcome Karunesh Talwar.
एक तो क्या है ना, GA की गाड़ी है अगर तो पुलिस वाले कभी नहीं रोकेंगे. You have to be driving in an exceptionally like
मर्डर करके भाग गए उस टाइम पे.
Yeah.
Otherwise they're like हम लोगों का स्कूटर वालों से हो रहा है, you know? हर स्कूटर वाले की जेब में गांजा है. ये लोग हजारों रुपए दे रहे हैं हमें, हम गाड़ी को क्यों रोकेंगे? This girl looking really sheepish, she's like, I don't mean to embarrass you. You have a tag hanging from your jeans where I can just see the price of them. And I'm like, oh shit, thanks. Now I'm walking on the street, tugging at my own ass like this. There's just a tag that says $69.95 on my ass, you know.
I bought new buckets which are black.
Whoa,
I was like ये माँ बाप का ये पिंक वाला बकेट जो वो लोग ने रखा है
Dude, I
वो
feel
नहीं.
you, man. Yeah, ये turquoise.
Yeah, turquoise.
नहीं, नहीं. अरे, dude, it's changed my mornings. Like I'll brush with Mavis and then I'll be like, कुछ काम करते हैं यार लाइफ में. मैं एक citizen of this world हूँ. वो क्या Sensodyne उसके पहले.
Hello. Welcome to another episode number 30 something. 32
Yes.
of Spender Winter. My name's Govind. This is Hoshang. That's Antriksh with that fuck all camera again on his face.
I'll not put that angle, don't
Yeah,
worry.
we're not
You're
gonna
not
show
gonna
him
see
only.
it.
I'll sneak it in somehow.
This time we're not showing Antriksh. You keep the camera keeps moving closer to your face to do
Yeah,
each.
I mean, we keep trying to adjust to
It
see a better
started with
angle,
a
but we
wide
never get
angle
it.
of his face, now it's just his beard.
Yeah, it's,
Hey, that's a really the style of my beard, you can
and
tell. And
next
now,
time it'll be that speaker. You won't be there only. It's just be that speaker. And today we have a guest who was on a podcast with Chalchitra where
He recommended
he
his favorite
recommended Ek
podcast.
Ladhi Pav, but Vaibhav recommended Fender Bender. So, welcome Karunesh Talwar.
Hello,
man.
thank you for having me. Thank you for having me on this podcast
Yes,
that I
man.
absolutely do not recommend anybody watching.
We'll get Vaibhav to do a bite here. On top of your face.
Which is more his face or your face.
Welcome to the show, man.
Thank you
Hi,
for
man.
having me.
How are you, man? Welcome
I'm
to
good, I'm
Bombay.
good.
Welcome to Bombay.
Yeah, welcome back to the city you were in for like 18 years of your life.
Yeah, like 27, 28 years.
28? Oh, I thought
Yeah.
you were born in Delhi though, right?
Yeah, and then I came to Bombay immediately.
Oh, immediately.
Yeah, for some reason they were just like, वहाँ पे निकल और इधर आ जा तुरंत. And then that's what happened. Yeah, so I mean, I've been living in Goa for like 3 or 4 years now. And now I want to do like a hybrid system, sometime in Bombay, sometime in Goa, that
Yeah.
sort of thing.
Like half wala.
Half wala, basically. Maybe a little more Bombay than Goa. At least in the amount of time that it takes me to write a new show.
Ah, okay.
So yeah, but the moment the show is written, I'm off again.
You're back to Goa.
Yeah, I'm back. Basically, I just want to have enough material ready that I can put on the internet and then take it easy again, because I don't believe in momentum and I don't believe in striking while the iron is hot.
Oh.
I believe in languishing and anxiety and fear for your whole career. Never really reaching where you were supposed to reach, but just teasing that.
Just showing glimpses.
Glimpses of potential, yeah.
कुछ तो दिखाओ आप पर. And then you're
Exactly.
back.
Just leaving people going, I wish there was more. You know? He uploaded a video and then he disappeared for half a decade.
You like edging people.
Yeah. The same people who liked me for saying that I'm lazy are now like, why are you so fucking lazy, man? That's what's going on, basically.
But you moved during the lockdown, no, to Goa?
Yeah, 2021, early part of 2021.
But your plan was to just be there during the lockdown and come back?
Yeah, just till COVID passed.
Yeah.
And now
COVID's back.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I'm here till it had a resurgence. So maybe by the time August comes around, I'll stop looking for houses in Bombay.
Again.
Yeah.
Probably
Back to Goa.
Yeah, exactly.
But how's it been living in Goa? Like, do you prefer Goa over Bombay? Of course,
Of
like,
course I
live-
do.
living
Yeah,
wise.
of course. The only thing is, I have a very small community there. Like very few friends over there, and I have all of my older friends here, who a lot of whom are comics. So. It's kind of like, you guys know how it is. Like, you know, only comics will really understand what
Yeah.
other comics are going through, and it feels like oxygen every time I come here and I meet comedian friends, because I feel like I can actually Because I live with my girlfriend and I live with people and I sort of hang out with people who do other things, and I don't want to necessarily burden them with, अरे यार ये joke close नहीं हो रहा और इसका tag नहीं मिल रहा और am I really good and like has this all been a scam, am I a fraud, you know, like
But maybe with
all those
comedians,
kinds of
sometimes if you take a break from comedians and come back, it feels better. Otherwise, if you just keep meeting them after a while, you're like, oh fuck.
yeah, I know it gets very toxic
Yeah,
after a while.
it
You're
but-
the
gets
only person I've heard say कि बॉम्बे आके मेरे को सांस मिलती है. Nobody else is saying that.
हाँ मतलब लाइक मेंटली मेरे लिए
Yeah.
कॉमेडियन से मिलना बहुत अच्छा है, स्टेज पे
Yeah.
चढ़ना बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन मेंटली मेरे लिए पोल्यूशन और ट्रैफिक से दूर रहना भी बहुत अच्छा है. सो आई जस्ट विश देयर वाज अभी वो गडकरी हैज सेड कि 6 घंटे वाला हाईवे बन रहा है.
Oh, highway भी बन रहा है.
अगर वो बन गया 6 घंटे में बॉम्बे टू गोवा हुआ तो मैं आ जाया करूंगा, हर फ्राइडे आ जाया करूंगा.
6 घंटे में वो रोरो भी चालू हो रहा है अभी.
रोरो क्या है?
अरे वो यहाँ से अलीबाग वाला रहता है ना, that big ship.
You can take a car with it.
You can put your car also,
Fuck,
bike.
nice.
वो गोवा भी चालू हो रहा है. They said 6 hours.
Nice. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
that is actually great.
And that's actually
killer.
pretty great because if you reach Goa, you don't have to then rent a car.
Yeah.
You can just take your own car from
Yeah,
Yeah,
and also
yeah.
you don't have to drive 11 hours to reach Goa.
that also. Yeah.
You have no idea how much that frustrates me as a Goan now. It's always the MH and DL number plates who can't fucking drive, dude. Like, या तो बहुत ही चूतियों की तरह एकदम तेज चला रहे हैं, या तो इतना धीरे चलते हैं. पूरी रोड खाली है, तेरी 2 चक्के भैंचोद एक लेन में, 2 चक्के दूसरे लेन में, और तू मेरे गाड़ी के पीछे क्या गांड मरा रहा है?
That's a proper
इतना
Bombay है.
इतना irritating यार.
That's a proper Bombay way of driving कि दोनों लेन आधा लेके चलो.
Dude, I
highway
bully them
पे.
on the road. Like, I honk like an insane person. And then I will cuss at them with the authority of a born Goan. I'll be like, तुम लोग क्या रे, जाओ ना, किधर से आते हो तुम लोग? You know? I'm like, बक, निकल यहाँ से.
And then 2 days later you take a flight to Bombay.
Yeah.
Back
I'll be
home.
like, अपने लोग, अपना शहर. सपनों की नगरी मुंबई.
वो लोग भी वापस आ गए तब तक.
हाँ, तुझे
They'll
पता
take
है-
longer to
तुझे
drive
पता है,
back.
मेरी बिल्डिंग में एक ही गाड़ी है जिसका GA नंबर प्लेट है. फुल आउटसाइडर बिल्डिंग है. वो एक गाड़ी मेरी है.
So you are a true Goan.
Oh, you bought a car when you
In
were
Goa,
there?
yeah.
Oh.
Basically, I bought a car in Bombay, and then I realized that उसका ground clearance बहुत low है और गोवा में खड्डे बहुत हैं.
Yeah.
प्लस मेरे माँ बाप की गाड़ी सेम टाइम पे पुरानी हो गई, तो मैंने वो गाड़ी यहाँ भिजवा दी और वहाँ पे गोवा की गाड़ी ले ली बेसिकली.
Oh.
Smart.
Oh yeah, GA है तो then you can be aggressive with people
Yeah.
also because they'll think
Yeah,
you're
yeah,
from
yeah.
there. MH दिख गया पीछे तो
हाँ,
that'd be-
MH के टाइम पे मैं पंगे नहीं लेता
बिल्कुल
था.
Yeah, you
Like,
can't.
और मेरे साथ पंगे हुए थे MH के टाइम पे, you know.
Oh, क्या?
Like होली के टाइम पे कुछ लोग दारू पी के गांव में होली खेल रहे थे, उन्होंने बहुत सारे कलर फेंक दिए गाड़ी पे और गाड़ी को मारने लग गए, ऐसे ये सब हो गया. And I
बस
just-
MH देख के.
हाँ, MH देख के मतलब थोड़ा बहुत if you go into a shady area at a
Yeah.
certain time,
Yeah.
but it's like it's not a very regular, like a common occurrence.
Yeah, वहाँ
But
पर.
हाँ, GA के टाइम पे nobody fucks with me.
Yeah.
और पुलिस वाले तो एक तो क्या है ना, GA की गाड़ी है अगर और गाड़ी है तो पुलिस वाले कभी नहीं रोकेंगे. You have to be driving in an exceptionally, like, you know, oh shit,
Murder करके
4
भाग
people
रही है
died.
उस time पे.
You know, you have to drive like that. Otherwise they're like, हम लोगों का स्कूटर वालों से हो रहा है, you know. हर स्कूटर वाले की जेब में गांजा है, सब लोग हवाई एंड शर्ट पहन के आए हैं, ये लोग हजारों रुपए दे रहे हैं हमें, हम गाड़ी को क्यों रोकेंगे? यार मैं जब गोवा में नया आया था ना, आई एक्चुअली सॉ दिस. ठीक है, एक आदमी स्कूटर पे बैठा है, ठीक है, उसके 2 टांगों के बीच में किंगफिशर है ऐसे. उसके किंगफिशर के आगे बच्चा खड़ा है ऐसे. पीछे बीवी है, हेलमेट आधी ऊपर है, यहाँ पे फोन है और वो ऐसे चला रहा है.
आपने ध्यान से नहीं देखा, बच्चे ने हाथ में एस्ट्रे में पकड़ी हुई होगी.
सब एक साथ एस्ट्रे ऊपर. Oh man.
किसी का तो जोक था, कोई तो कॉमिक का, कि पता नहीं कौन की, एक काम करना, बच्चा ही सर पे बांध ले अपने. I forget whose joke it is, but it's hilarious, man.
But how are you with Manu, man, in general?
I used to be really bad, and now I'm bad.
Oh yeah, that's actually progress.
Yeah.
Very
yeah.
good.
Yeah, like so when I first started making an amount of money that I didn't expect to make, I was spending most of it. I was like, I just want all the nice electronics, all the nice clothes, the shoes, everything. you
Yeah.
know?
Yes.
And then it got to a point where I started to invest, and I realized, holy shit, if I'd done this since 2018,
Yeah.
I would have been I could have, there's a lot of things, you know, that.
Yeah.
And so then now I'm a little bit more disciplined, where I'm like, okay, सबसे पहले investment में पैसा डालो और ये सब करो, उसके बाद खर्च. पर मेरे खर्चे अभी भी बहुत हैं यार.
What do you end up spending
Yeah,
on
what do
mostly?
you-
Like when you were really bad with money, what were you spending it on?
Oh, everything, dude. I was like, PlayStation, video games, clothes, shoes.
The first thing you
Electronics.
said only is for 50,000. First thing out of the four things.
All the electronics like laptop, iPad. I have a Steam Deck. Yeah, and then I've got noise cancellation headphones, AirPods, everything, because I have to travel so much that I have just this blind spot about anything that will help me while traveling. I'm like, okay, dude, this is a business expense. It's part of my mental health to be able to play Yakuza Like a Dragon on my Steam Deck 15 minutes before I need to leave for a show that I should be preparing for.
Awesome.
This will somehow make the show better.
I don't know
Let's kill this boss right now. The satisfaction it will give me.
Exactly.
Steam Deck must be great.
It's beautiful. I haven't touched my PlayStation in months.
Oh.
Yeah, it's that good because the thing is also I'm in a relationship.
Yeah.
And physical proximity matters a lot, even if you're doing your own thing, because we live together. We
Yeah.
spend so much time together, right? But it's like the whole day, I'm not going to be playing PlayStation in the day. I have to work, I have to hang out with my girlfriend, I have to do all that. In the night, she goes to bed at 10, I go to bed at 1. Okay, so it's like if I'm downstairs playing PlayStation and she's upstairs like a widow, you know, going to bed alone and sad.
Looking at the other side of the bed.
It's really, it's really pathetic, right? So I was like, let me just get this. So she can look at her reels and watch her TV and whatever. And I can be on my Steam Deck.
Yeah.
And we can be together. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
And so
fair.
it
Are you
really
still
works.
really together that?
Yeah,
you
no,
are
no,
there?
Just proximity matlab
Okay,
matters.
just the
na?
proximity.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because you spend 8-10 hours a day hanging out, right?
Yeah,
So it's
correct.
like, okay, cool, we're done hanging out. We want our alone time, but we don't want to feel like we're lonely and sad. Like, you know, so we'd rather be together. So that's why.
You
Yeah,
just
that
made
makes
every
sense.
PlayStation owner want to buy a Steam Deck, I'm sure.
Dude,
Yeah.
I
It's an
can't.
incredible
That's
device.
a great reason
Yeah.
also.
I was
can't.
thinking of getting the Portal just because मेरे को कभी-कभी टीवी पे खेलने का मन नहीं करता बस यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा खेलना है.
पोर्टल यार पोर्टल के ऊपर थोड़ा सा पैसा डाल के ना अगर स्पेशली अगर कोई यूएस जा रहा है तो पोर्टल के प्राइस पे स्टीम डेक मिल जाएगा एंड पोर्टल स्टीम डेक इज सो मच मोर वर्सेटाइल
Yeah, and the games are also cheaper because Steam पे इतनी सारी sales आते रहते हैं.
ब्रो आज तक बना हुआ कोई भी गेम दुनिया में कोई भी तो स्टीम डेक पे खेल सकता है इट्स प्लेटफॉर्म एग्नोस्टिक any game you could play Xbox games, you could play PS1 games,
What?
you could play Sega 360 games, you could play anything you want on a Steam Deck.
Emulation, you do emulator.
Dude, Nintendo Switch उसका सबसे बड़ा competitor है. उसके ऊपर एक mod है जिसपे Nintendo के games उस पे चल जाते हैं. तो और बता यार.
Oh, I thought it was only Steam games which
No,
you could play.
bro.
on
Yeah,
that.
that's what I also
yeah.
heard.
No, there are all kinds of mods you can apply to it,
Yeah.
which are completely safe because it's also a Linux computer. So it has desktop mode on it.
Yes.
So you can just, and also it's incredibly versatile. You can connect it to this TV, and you can use the PlayStation controller to play your games on the TV. So it's eliminated my PS completely. Like I don't need it. So if I'm traveling, like I told you guys, I'm traveling
Yeah.
tomorrow. I'm carrying a PS controller, and I'm carrying the Steam Deck.
And you just hook it up to your TV,
Yeah,
like
you just
wherever
do
you
that.
are.
So if I have a couple of hours in the
Oh.
night, I'll just put on Bluetooth headphones, hook
Your
it up to
noise
the TV.
cancelling
Noise
headphones.
cancelling headphones.
Yeah, and then I'll just play.
Oh, shit,
Man,
that's
that's actually
incredible.
यार I can't. I have a Switch and a PS5 अब Steam Deck भी
तू
लेके
तो
खड़ा
बिल्कुल
था।
ही मत ले भाई.
नहीं मैं
तू-
PS खेलता हूँ मैं
तू
PS खेलता हूँ.
I'll tell you.
तू मेरे घर पे रहता
No,
है
no,
क्या?
I'll tell you why. So he bought the PS5, okay, and he played for a bit. I know he played for a bit. उसने F1 वगैरह खेला. Then मेरा PS Plus subscription ran out हो गया था, but I have his account logged into
Yeah,
my PS.
yeah.
So I use his PS Plus account to play, and not once has it been like, hey, somebody else is trying to
Yeah,
play.
yeah,
एक
yeah.
बार भी नहीं हुआ.
नहीं नहीं अब वापस स्टार्ट किया ना यार बीच में I was also playing Switch तो is I've completely stopped.
Yeah.
क्योंकि it's only when people are over or something Switch makes
Yeah,
sense.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
Switch is a party game more
Correct.
than like
Yeah,
a
correct.
console game.
कितना मारियो कार्ट खेलूं अकेला मैं जीत गया मैं हर बार जीत ही रहा हूँ अभी
वही
कितना
होता है.
जीतूं.
मैं आज तक एक रेस नहीं जीता हूँ मारियो कार्ट में. आज तक एक
But
बार भी.
Steam Deck, how much is it for?
So it costs the OLED version. So I have the OLED 512 GB. That was like 70 something.
And you got it from India or you bought it from
Dubai.
the US? From
Dubai.
Dubai. Oh, so like the cheapest one you could
हाँ
find.
this is the cheaper
Yeah.
one.
In fact, actually, it turned out to be a very similar price to what you get it for in India.
India.
Because our economy was tanking. And so the dirham had gone up, and so my planning got fucked up. Like I was like, I'll save 5-7 grand on this, and then I didn't end up saving any money on it. But I still, it's like, in terms of the amount of use I've gotten out of it, I bought it last year. Sorry, in 2023? No, 2024 March I bought it. I've already like 70,000 से ज़्यादा का काम तो मैंने निकाल लिया उसमें से. I've played like a couple of thousand hours on that thing already.
Because
So
you can
yeah.
also played while traveling. So it's
Exactly, dude.
endless.
So many
Yeah,
flights,
yeah,
so many
yeah.
flights to so many places. Like, what do you do, man? You know?
That's actually true. When it's Europe,
So many
Jobio 11,
hotels.
12.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So much.
You're in
downtime.
Raipur.
Yeah.
You know, what are you gonna go out? Raipur and explore the scene.
Rather kill some zombies instead.
Yeah, exactly.
But I just remember I've seen every time you upload a story of your TV when you're in Goa or like
Yeah.
some cricket match or whatever, I see your PlayStation on the side. It looks like an abandoned child.
Yeah,
It looks so dirty. Use ही नहीं हो रहा है वो.
नहीं हो रहा है वो यूज इनफैक्ट जब कभी मैं घर पे अकेला होता हूँ ना, जैसे मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड 10 दिन के लिए कहीं गई हुई थी, तब मैं PS लगाता हूँ कि ठीक है चलो आई कैन गेट द हैप्टिक फीडबैक एंड आई कैन
Yeah,
गेट द बिग
yeah,
स्क्रीन एंड
yeah,
ऑल
yeah.
दैट, बट अदरवाइज इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट डूड, लाइक यू नो.
क्योंकि ऊपर कोई सो नहीं रहा है वो टाइम पे you
पर अभी
can-
गोस्ट ऑफ योटे ही आएगा, मेरे बर्थडे पे आ रहा है अक्टूबर में,
हाँ.
तो वो GTA 6 आएगा.
वो तो
Yeah.
पूरा महीना ही booked है
प्लेस्टेशन ही है, प्लेस्टेशन
yeah.
वो स्टीम डेक पे नहीं
वो
होगा.
नहीं है, हाँ.
मैंने मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड को समझा दिया कि देख मेरे को मेरे बर्थडे के लिए अकेलापन चाहिए. ठीक है, कुछ दिनों के लिए, उसके बाद पार्टी करेंगे, लेकिन एक दोस्त को मत बुलाना, एक सरप्राइज प्लान मत करना, केक का एक टुकड़ा नहीं दिखना चाहिए इस घर के अंदर, ठीक है. मैं बस यही करने वाला हूँ. शी इज लाइक डन
मैं
बेस्ट.
समुराई हूँ, ठीक है.
शी लाइक मैं भी छुट्टी ले लेती हूँ फिर कहीं चली जाती हूँ. मैंने कहा देख ले मर्जी है तेरी.
But what do you spend on now? Like, yeah, I
Yeah.
think this was पहले.
So if you want to talk about like really frivolous expenses,
Whatever it is.
dude, I have a problem. I have like a big problem, and it's power banks and beard trimmers.
Oh, dude, I can't believe someone else has this problem because I have the same problem.
I have the power bank problem, but
Yeah,
beard
yeah.
trimmer I've never.
See, here's the
heard.
thing. Okay, I lose all the extensions, and I don't want to get clean shaven because I look like a momo.
Yeah.
Dude. So I lose all the
Same.
extensions. Sometimes I lose the charger cable, and you can't buy those separately, right? Plus, if I go to get a haircut and a beard trim, often I'll just get a haircut even though I don't need it. Because I need the beard trim,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
What does it cost? 12 to 1400 bucks.
Correct.
What does a beard trimmer cost?
800 now,
Yeah.
700.
So how many trims am I going to get out of it versus going to the salon, and I can do that at home. So as a result of this, I have 15 or 20 beard trimmers in the house.
What?
In the house.
I
Yeah.
thought the point was to save money.
Yeah, I am saving money. I'm saving 400 bucks every purchase by not going to the salon. You know?
Are you going more expensive each time, right?
No,
Just
no,
going
no,
the
no.
same way?
I don't see. The thing is, my application is very simple. I need to put like a 3mm or a 5mm extension and just get this in shape because I'll always
Yeah.
have this beard
Yeah.
and then use a 0 to do this and this, right?
Yeah.
So that's what I do. But I'm just forgetful. I just don't know where I keep it, so I lose that shit. So I've started to like now use the pouch that it comes with and make sure that everything is in the pouch. But
All
yeah.
of the 15 trimmers in one pouch.
No, no, no. All of the extensions.
Extensions.
I always have only one trimmer or 0 trimmers, but I have 15 trimmers. You know what I mean? Only
Okay.
one is usable.
Yeah.
Or 0 are usable. But like that's what it
So
is.
you own 15, you just don't know where
Yeah.
all of them are.
Yeah, and
one
even if
will
I can
always-
find all of them, I can't find everything that goes on
Goes
all of them.
on it, yeah.
And I can't find definitely can't find the wires that make them actually work.
Yes.
So they're just
I'm sure most of them have
relics in
different
my house.
sockets and different kind of power
Yeah,
points which they
yeah.
use.
I also have 3 or 4 now trimmers. I don't even get a beard that much, dude. ये
तेरा
this
अभी
is
तो
it.
आना स्टार्ट हुआ है.
अरे वो मेरा ना जो आता है वो बहुत गंदा वाला आता है वो मतलब बचपन में जो आता था वो अभी आ रहा है मेरे को वैसा वाला.
Keanu Reeves beard. He gets a
Yeah,
patchy
ये
beard.
this is still better. It gets very South Indian-ish की सा गंदा curly हो जाता है. So then I have to trim with a normal trimmer. पहले वाला थोड़ा गंदा हो गया था. I got another one and then वो charge नहीं किया था तो then I was like अब मेरे को जाना है तो I'll just get another one. Then I was like मेरे को वो वाला चाहिए. What do you call it? वो nose hair वाला और वो छोटे छोटे दूसरे वो heads वाले जो
Extensions, हाँ.
extensions रहते हैं वो वाला. So I got another one, but by the time I was buying that, I forgot कि मेरे को वो extension वाले चाहिए थे. So I just got another trimmer which just didn't have. Now I have a Beardo one, which sorry, Beard Company. Ah, fuck, what is that?
Beardo.
What's that
Bombay
guy
Shaving
with the-
Company.
Bombay
Bombay
Shaving
Shaving
Company.
Company.
Yeah, yeah.
Everything is Bombay on one end and Company on the
Company.
other. You know? I just never buy a product that has either Bombay and Company in it or that has factory in it. Like butter chicken
Yeah,
factory
butter chicken
जाना है? नहीं, मुझे assembly line वाली feeling देना बंद करो.
There's a beard factory also, I think.
Yeah, हो गई. These
गई.
people are so uncreative, dude. It's like
4 word.
हाँ, उनको बॉम्बे के बाहर बेचने का मन ही नहीं है.
yeah. I also have as many power banks.
हाँ, that's what I was going to say. Why
That
power
makes
banks?
sense because you have so many devices you're carrying.
Yeah, yeah. So
I
the
don't
thing
also
is,
travel so much.
power banks run out of battery, and I also lose their wires and shit. Although you can use any Android cable or any Type-C cable on them nowadays, so
Also, if
that's
you
fine.
lose a cable, you can also buy just the cable. You don't
Yeah.
need to go and buy a new power bank.
But here's the thing: it's always at an airport that I buy a power bank,
Yeah.
and it's always either that I've forgotten the power bank that I had, or that it's out of battery and I didn't charge it like an idiot. And so now I'm like, but my flight is in 5 minutes. It's in 10 minutes. I can't sit in the lounge and charge the
Charge
power
the
bank
bank.
now.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, fine, man. Here's fucking $2,000. Just give.
If you buy a new one, it comes with charge. No?
Yeah, that's the thing.
Someone else charge
That's
it for
the
you.
thing.
You can just
Exactly.
use it
Exactly.
immediately.
Yeah.
You have how many power banks do you have?
Probably the same number. Like I have at least 8 or 10 power banks.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
yeah, yeah.
I also have like 6.
Yeah, I have
I don't even travel as much as you. I don't even know why.
मैं तो घर के लिए like I'm literally using 2 power banks right now to charge these lights. कि like काम
I
करिए
saw
वो-
that power bank. That's mine. I think I gave it
No,
to
that's
you.
Antariksh's.
मेरा है भाई.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, sorry. नहीं मैंने एक तो दिया था. I had so many. I was
भाई
like,
6 है तेरे पास. It's fine.
अरे
होता है यहाँ पे.
it's not even out of the city. एक बार I think I got done with some meeting. मैं घर नहीं जा पाता.
हाँ.
I had to go somewhere else. So then I was at some cafe. I was like, यहाँ बैठ जाता हूँ थोड़ी देर. उसके बाद मैं next जगह जाता हूँ. Then I was like, मेरा बैटरी लो, चार्जर नहीं है मेरे पास. So I went to Chroma first and I was like, ये पावर बैंक दे दो. लगाया. I was like, चलो अब पावर. अब पावर.
मैं तो ये चार्ज भी कर सकता था.
नहीं नहीं, I didn't have my charger.
Ah, okay.
I'm buying a charger is more expensive from Chroma than buying a power bank.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah.
That's the other thing. Everything's priced in a way where you're like, fine, you win. You
Just-
defeated me again. You
Just
know.
get me इतने power banks.
Imagine
अभी भी
that-
मेरे 8 से 10 पावर बैंक गोवा में ही पड़े हैं क्योंकि मैं उठाना भूल गया. कल मुझे लेनी है 12-14 घंटे की फ्लाइट. तो
Also, you haven't gotten any power bank.
no, I will get one today.
Which one's been your favorite? Did you have like इतने
I
सारे
do.
हैं
I
तो-
bought like a small one, like जिसका साइज इतना सा है और वो फास्ट चार्जिंग पावर बैंक है. वो महंगा था, कुछ 4-1 रुपए का था वो, और वो टाइप सी चलता है. वो बहुत अच्छा है यार. उस पे स्टीम डेक चार्ज हो जाता है पूरा, which is insane. So I can get 2 plays, like so Steam Deck at full battery lasts about 2.5 hours.
Okay.
You can get 5 hours out of it on a flight. That's amazing, right?
Yeah.
किसका है? What brand is it?
मुझे पता नहीं, मैं बताता हूँ
हाँ,
तेरे
ठीक
को. मैं
है,
देख के
ठीक है.
बताता हूँ.
Is it वो MagSafe वाला भी है कि फोन पे चिपक जाता है?
नहीं 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 नहीं, वो सब नहीं लिया मैंने.
Oh, Maxif वाले अच्छे रहते हैं Maxif वाले.
हाँ क्या आज लेने वाला I'll go check it out.
There's a Daily Objects one जो Maxif की है.
Very good.
There's
Yeah.
a stand also.
Ooh.
So you
Yeah.
can just like
Oh.
वो charge होते होते वो you can just
Movie
keep it
देखो
there.
जो है,
अच्छा.
वो
और
बहुत
वहाँ
अच्छा
पे
लगता है.
दिखाता भी है कितना percentage है बचा हुआ है
Dude,
उसमें
that's
charge.
damn cool.
Yeah,
It's metallic
but
and all.
it's
It sounds like the
it's
exact kind of thing.
it's like 6,000 or something,
Okay.
10,000 mAh का है.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
तो चाहिए तो I can tell you everything about power banks. But is there something else? This is hoarding. By
Yeah,
the
this
way.
is hoarding.
Yeah,
Full
this is
hoarding,
totally,
yeah.
totally. Apart from that, dude, I had phases. Like when I first started to make money, I didn't know how to buy things. Like I didn't know how to shop.
mean? What do you
In the sense that I went and bought hundreds of cheap clothes and 50 or 60 cheap pairs of shoes.
Ah.
Okay. And then I was like, I just look like I just look really bad in different ways now on a daily basis, you know.
Yeah, every day.
Yeah.
New different look.
Outfits and shoes will never repeat, but I will always look like a different fucking idiot on a daily basis. And that's not to say that cheap clothes are bad or anything
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
I just bought bad ones.
Once, yeah.
Like there was this whole phase where I was wearing drapes and curtains and tablecloths and shit like that. So I just didn't know. And then I spent all this money on them and then I'm like, I hate these and I'm never going to wear them. So
Literally hundreds.
hundreds, yeah. And then I gave all of them away. So all of my floral shirts are just
Oh
somewhere.
yeah, I know. I
Yeah,
know you
those
used to
and
floral.
I had like probably 40-45 pairs of shoes, of which I gave all of them away pretty much except a couple of pairs. And now I have like, I wear black t-shirts with sweatpants. And so that's the current thing I spend on is different black
Different black
t-shirts.
t-shirts, yeah.
And then I like shoes, but I'm not really a sneakerhead. So I have about 10 or 12 pairs of shoes, but in regular rotation I wear 2.
Yeah.
Exactly the
Yeah,
same.
yeah,
मेरा
yeah.
बार शू रहा के उसमें 15 जूते हैं, पहनता मैं सिर्फ 2 ही हूँ.
हाँ
Yeah.
मैंने वो A6 के वो वाले ले लिए Kayano 31s and I'm like इससे comfortable तो मतलब कुछ नहीं है दुनिया में. तो मैं
A6.
यही it feels like you're constantly getting a massage while
Yes.
walking,
Yeah,
so
man,
it's
A6 is
insane.
so
तो
good.
मेरा तो वो default shoe हो गया है. And then I have these New Balance के sneakers that I wear on stage. That's it. They're white.
Yeah.
तो एक white है एक black है बस वही क्योंकि ultimately बाकी कपड़ों के साथ वही जाता है.
सब वाइट के साथ आई बॉट दीज 5 शूज मैं बोला था एडिडास में सेल दिखाया था इंस्टाग्राम पे तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है चलो फिर 5 लिया मैंने
अरे भाई
2500 का एक मिल रहा था
अरे बेस्ट फिर तो हाँ फिर तो सही है.
5 ले लिया एंड 5 जगह नहीं है मेरे घर पे मेरे को बाहर बालकनी में रखना पड़ रहा है पता है क्योंकि जगह नहीं बचा है एंड देव गॉटन डस्टी नाउ क्योंकि मैंने
Yeah.
बालकनी में रख दिया
Yeah.
बट eventually I just use white you're right
Yeah,
It's just
exactly.
the white ones
Ultimately घूम फिर के उसी पे आते हैं.
Yeah.
मैंने बचपन में वैंस खरीदे थे वो मेरे को बहुत पसंद आए और मैं हर साल वो सेम जूता खरीदता रहता हूँ बार बार आई बाय अदर पेयर्स आल्सो क्योंकि
मेरा
वो
भी-
दिखने में अच्छे लगते हैं लेकिन वो वैंस में एक बार बैठ गया है मेरा पैर सो आई जस्ट डोंट फील लाइक वेयरिंग एनीथिंग
Bro, it's the same with Kayanos for me. A6 Kayanos. हर साल नया वाला आता है. मैं एक ही जूता खरीदता हूँ और जो मेरा पिछला वाला है वो किसी ओवरवेट आदमी को दे देता हूँ. या तो मेरे डैड या तो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड के डैड या किसी को मैं बोलता हूँ आपके घुटने और पैरों में जो भी हो रहा है वो इस जूते से ठीक हो जाएगा. खुश रहो आप.
हर साल
हर साल,
साल
हर
नहीं,
साल.
आपके घुटने अभी भी अच्छे ये ले लो
क्योंकि लकीली मेरे डैड का भी और मेरे गर्लफ्रेंड के डैड का दोनों का पैर का साइज एग्जैक्ट सेम है. दोनों लंबे हैं दोनों मोटे हैं तो फिर हम लाइक
That's what I was going to ask क्योंकि shoes are like
Yeah.
you can't just give it away कि ले ले shoes same size
एग्जैक्ट सेम साइज वाले बहुत लोगों को जानता हूँ मैं. UK 11 US 12
12
US 12 UK 11.
ah 11 ना yeah I'm also 11 only
हाँ
Yeah,
वही ना
yeah.
इट्स फेयरली कॉमन.
हाँ 11s by like common
सही अगले साल तेरे को भेज रहा हूँ.
मैं मैसेज करता हूँ जब
मेरा
मेरे घुटने
back
खराब होते start होते हैं,
घुटने
मैं
खराब
बताता
तो
हूँ।
हो रहे थोड़े
How come you gave away all your Bahama shirts? You used to really look good in them, man.
Oh man, thank you. I just didn't agree with this opinion. Basically, I got into a relationship and my girlfriend was like, "You don't know how to dress." And I was like, "I'm just happy to be here, man." So, whatever you say. And she was like, "Let me go get you a couple of shirts." And to her credit, she bought me a couple of really nice shirts that were floral and printy and everything. And then I just took that as, अच्छा ये करना होता है क्या? So then I just started buying them like a crazy person. Anything that was printed, I was like,
Yeah.
okay, this must be good. I don't know. I have no taste. So I would just buy them. And then eventually it just, I mean, there's no problem with it as such, but I just felt like I wasn't comfortable wearing them. I just felt like, you know, that hacky thing that people say, it's wearing you and you're not. Like, the thing is, if I'm going on stage and if I don't want what I'm wearing to be distracting.
That makes
I want it to be
sense.
very comfortable and I want to not be able to feel that I have some like weird thing on, right? That's why I perform. I wear athleisure all the time because that's what I travel in, that's what I perform in, that's what I go to the gym in. And so all three things that I do in my life
Yeah.
are
And then you
just
need like
sorted.
3 shirts if you're going out for dinner or something.
Correct,
you don't
exactly.
Need more than that.
I literally had those 3 shirts stitched just before right now that I'm going to Vienna because we're going to watch like a classical quartet play Mozart in a big auditorium in Vienna. So I was like, okay, I'm going to need a shirt.
अब आप
So-
जॉकेट पहन के तो नहीं जा सकते
वही,
है ना ये दूसरा black t-shirt but you did a
fancy black shirt
yeah, you did a special in a floral
Yeah, I did 2 specials in
2
floral
yeah
shirts.
2
Yeah,
2
yeah.
उसके बाद you were like
Yeah, I was like, this is, you know, the thing is that after every special that you do or after every burst of creativity that you get, you kind of, you reach like a place which is really empty and really
Start again,
bleak
all that.
and hopeless, where you're
Yeah.
like, I'll never get a joke again.
Yeah.
And I'll never have, and then something has to change. At least in my case, I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna go, tend to kind of go back to the start, like what worked for you in the beginning, like
Yeah.
what you know to be true about yourself. And I was like, dude, enough with these fucking shirts and shit, dude. Like, I'm just gonna dress how I feel comfortable because I'm already feeling like I have no material. I'm vulnerable on stage anyway.
Yeah.
Because I have to write stuff.
Yeah.
So at least I should feel like I look normal and I feel comfortable. And then let me start trying to build stuff from that.
makes
from
sense
that place.
but-
Yeah, because you
Plus, the character I play on stage is an exaggerated version of
Yeah,
myself,
yeah.
of a guy who's just frustrated with the world. It doesn't make sense for that guy to be really into his appearance. You know what I mean? It doesn't
वहाँ पे
track.
ट्रैविस स्कॉट के हाइप जूते पहन के don't work.
floral and a hat
yeah, exactly. Yeah.
a fedora पहन के तो you
Yeah.
can't be like
And now I really like that juxtaposition of like it's an auditorium and there's so many people there, and then you expect that an act is gonna come on stage,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Like मतलब गजरा पहनी हुई आंटी ऐसे ऐसे करेगी, कुर्ते वाले अंकल तबला बजाएंगे, उधर मैं ये कपड़े पहन के आया हुआ हूँ बिखरे, और भाई क्या हाल है तुम लोगों के, यू नो। तो वही मैं कल शो इन्हीं कपड़ों में किया है।
Oh, really?
एग्जैक्टली, मैं नहाया नहीं हूँ आज। अभी नहाऊंगा जाके।
Wait, 2:30 in the afternoon, guys. It's
I woke up at 1. No, I woke up at 12:30 when you texted me. I was like, oh shit, huh? एक second. That's why I told you I would also prefer delaying it by like 20 minutes to
No,
half an
क्योंकि
hour.
I was running late and you said I'd prefer. I was like, then good. Yeah. Let's go.
So yeah, this is exactly, and this is what I always perform in.
Wait, I just want to check your story. I saw
Yeah,
your
yeah,
story, but
check
I
my
didn't
stories.
know
It's
कि
the exact same clothes. It's not even a different black t-shirt.
You sleep in these.
Yes. That's what I do. I'm a pig, man. I perform, sleep, go to the gym, everything in the same fucking clothes.
Oh, yeah, it is exactly. The only thing that's not there are the shoes because
बाहर
you're
है.
indoors.
वो
Yeah.
Same exact shoes are outside. I took them off. It was the same socks, man. I slept in these socks.
I would really want to thank you for putting in the effort to coming in here, Ganesh.
That's another thing I hoard, by the way, is socks.
Sock.
Same.
Dude, I have so much underwear and so many socks.
Yes.
Because like I'm traveling so much and I'm like, dude, I carried, so I don't do laundry when I'm abroad. Okay, if I'm going for 20 days, I'm carrying 20
20
clothes.
clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like, dude, I'm not gonna figure, like, we live a spoilt life
Yeah.
because of income inequality and oppression in this country, and I'm used to it, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I don't want to go to a laundromat
Yeah.
and live the American lifestyle and
Yeah.
figure out where to put the quarter and how to. I do that at home, and that's enough, you know. So, and like if you call a laundry or whatever, then they're like, yeah, we'll get it to you tomorrow for $80. And it's like, yeah, you know, I don't feel like paying that.
Buy
So I
5
might as well
underwears.
carry as many
Yeah.
clothes as I'll need. But with underwear and shit like that, I'm like, dude, you go to one of these places, especially abroad, like those department stores like TJ Maxx and all these places, you get like 6 pairs of underwear for $10. You know, that sort of thing. Yeah, so I'll just buy like 16 underwear and I'll buy like socks are also similar. So I'll buy like 6 packs of socks, but like 3 packets, you know, at a time.
So like
Especially
18
pairs of socks. Because it's $7 a packet. So it's like, now here's the thing, my house is overflowing with socks, and underwear. Okay. And we have so basically our cook is phenomenal.
Yeah.
And her sister is an idiot. But her sister needs the job.
Yeah.
So she cleans our house because we love our cook.
Yeah.
And we can't fire her sister.
Yeah.
And she breaks things all the time and she loses stuff all the time. So we had to make it her sister proof. You know what I mean? So I had to buy so many socks that I could always find 2 socks that are identical at any given point in time, regardless of how many she loses, tears, burns, whatever the fuck she does with them.
I
You know?
thought she breaks other things, so you're cushioning those things with socks. या अगर गिरा दे सॉक्स पे गिर जाएगा टूटेगा नहीं मेरा वाज टूटेगा नहीं
You enter Ganesh without, he doesn't have a rug, it's just different socks and underwear.
अगर गिर गया तो सही है.
Yeah, man. It's just,
How many socks do you think?
I couldn't tell you.
Yeah.
I have over 100 pairs of socks, for sure.
And they're all identical.
No,
They're
they're
like
not all
different colours?
identical. They're different colors, different brands, but
Okay.
over 100 pairs of socks, over 50 pairs of underwear, yeah.
That's
But,
insane.
Like I'm sure with socks, I'm sure you don't know which ones are like the pairs. उल्टा पुल्टा हो गया रहेगा ना
उल्टा
अभी?
पुल्टा हो गया है, कोई कोई अगर सिमिलर भी लगते हैं तो मैं साथ में पहन
हाँ,
लेता
मैं
हूँ.
भी
जैसे
पहन लेता
अगर
हूँ
एक
तो.
काला वाला है, उस पे एडिडास का लोगो है यहाँ पे, फिर दूसरा काला वाला है,
उस पे Nike
उस
का
पे
है.
एडिडास ओरिजिनल्स का लोगो है. तो हम लोग हाँ ठीक है चलेगा.
Adidas ही तो है दोनों.
सेम फैमिली.
What a perfect day also. आज मेरे को 5 मिनट लगा ये दोनों ढूंढने में सेम सॉक्स क्योंकि वरना मैं एक ग्रे एक वाइट पहन के आने वाला था. I was like, oh wait, कैमरा में दिखेगा मैंने एक वाइट एक ग्रे पहना है. I have everything you've talked about.
Yeah.
I have the person with lesser money wala version of the same. You have hundreds, I have like 20 pairs of socks.
It's just too much to keep track of in life, man. There's so, you have to do taxes, you have to get the right credit card so you get the reward points
Yeah.
and everything. You have to fill this form and that form and pay the
Yeah.
electricity bill and pay the rent, pay the maids, make sure that you get the writing done and you perform and all of that. उस टाइम पे मैं socks और चड्डियों का हिसाब नहीं रख रहा यार लाइफ में यार, बहुत कुछ है करने को.
Exactly.
And then, you know, share the load around the house. Be a good partner. Be a good son. Call your mom. Like, you know, post about oppressions and inequality in the world. Like there are too many like responsibilities on any one rational thinking human being, right?
Yeah.
And then उसके बीच में I can't be like यार मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है. You know?
एक पैर मिल रहा है.
जो मैं ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकता हूँ अपनी लाइफ
वो
में वो
करना
तो मैं
चाहिए.
करूँगा. Phone chargers is another thing.
Yeah.
I'm just buy them with reckless abandon.
Same.
I'm like जितने
मेरा
हो
उसमें
कम
है.
है. हाँ.
Phone chargers like the
Charging
full-
cables.
Charging cables.
Charging
yeah.
cables and
I have
then
45
power.
Type-C cables.
What?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
just
yeah.
keep buying different sizes, different companies, different.
So you
हर
spend
socket
anywhere
में.
between 45 to 90,000 rupees on Type-C cables.
On
You should have just bought a
Type-C.
Steam Deck, man. At this point सस्ता पड़ता तेरे को यार.
दुबई से भी नहीं यहाँ से ही ले लेता.
Steam Deck का पता नहीं, लेकिन मैं जो चार्ज कर सकता हूँ ना उसको, you have no idea.
दूसरों की Steam Deck charge का charge them for it. कि I'll just charge you. But with boxers also sometimes if I have to go somewhere, सुबह I realize कि fuck मैंने laundry नहीं किया है.
Yeah.
मेरे boxers तो मतलब थोड़े clean नहीं है जो है. I just Blinkit boxers and
Yeah.
it's happened so many times. I have so many Blinkit Damensh के boxers. XYXX random brands I have now. जो भी 5 मिनट में आ रहा है I'm like दे दो भाई मेरे को दे दो अभी.
मैंने कल Blinkit से towel लिया. मेरा towel धुलने गया हुआ था और मैंने realized कि I only have one towel. How less am I showering? And I never realized that I have one towel. So I had to Zepto a towel yesterday.
You also did a show in these clothes. only.
I mean, I went out wearing these jeans for sure. Yeah,
क्या सर
just a different t-shirt.
कल के ही कपड़े पहन रहे क्या मैं भी पहन लेता फिर.
Dude, I didn't know how to swim, right? And in May, I took 4 swimming lessons from an excellent tutor. And now I can kind of swim.
Yeah.
Okay, guess how many pairs of swimming trunks I have?
Oh yeah, actually this is a good game. I want to guess. Considering you have a hoarding problem.
10 I'd say 10.
I have 4. One for each swimming lesson. So basically, I was like, I didn't put them for laundry. So, and all 4 of them have come from Blinkit. ये पहले वाले के लिए मैं decathlon गया, ठीक है, बाकी 3 Blinkit से आए. Because I was like, oh shit, उस दिन तो मैंने धुलवाया नहीं, तो अब मैं kind of moist swimming trunks तो पहनने वाला हूँ नहीं. So just जितनी बार मैं तैरा हूँ ना लाइफ में उतने swimming trunks है मेरे पास.
4 but you haven't like gone after that you're not.
No, because because I'm going to Europe now and there's a lot of beach parts
Yeah,
of the vacation in Italy and all. I wanted to learn how to swim. So उसके लिए I went to a guy जो 4-5 classes में सिखा देता है.
Oh, okay.
तो हाँ, तो अभी मैं यूज करूंगा यूरोप में.
Freestyle वाला वो सब.
फ्री स्टाइल और ब्रेस्ट स्ट्रोक मैंने सीख लिया है. और पर वो मेरे को ठीक से अभी तक नहीं आता कि वो लोग स्विम करते करते मुंह बाहर निकाल के सांस भी ले लेते हैं ना.
ब्रेस्ट स्ट्रोक में
दोनों
Freestyle
में.
हाँ मेरे को फ्री स्टाइल वाला भी नहीं आता.
yeah.
Because I go swimming sometimes और मैं इस बार किया I was swimming and then an uncle looked at me he was like आप पूरा ही गलत कर रहे हो. I was like क्या? He was like इतना ऐसे नहीं होता है, धीरे नीचे रख के पूरा बताने लग गया. And his kid was there waiting for him to swim with him. I was like
Can you be my dad please? Yeah.
like चले जा अपने बच्चे के साथ. Thank you for this. उसके बाद I have not gone swimming but you're right the breathing
Yeah.
part is very tough.
It's
I don't
very hard,
understand.
yeah.
मेरे को लगता था कि मेरे को स्विमिंग आती है क्योंकि मैंने बचपन में बहुत सीखी है और मेरे को बेसिक स्विमिंग आती है. इफ आई एम इन अ स्विमिंग पूल आई कैन डू इट. फिर मैं लास्ट ईयर थाईलैंड गया था और हम लोग यॉट पे थे तो सब ओशन के अंदर थे तो सब लोग बोला कूदते हैं पानी में तो मैं हाँ कूदेंगे बिल्कुल. I jumped, immediately started drowning.
Oh, fuck.
I just forgot how to swim apparently.
Oh,
Because
shit.
I'm used to having some surface below.
Yeah.
तो मैं ताकि वापस प्रेशर लेके ऊपर आ सकूं.
Correct.
But there was no surface
Yeah,
below.
Yeah, it's the sea.
Just me with the life jacket swimming and everybody else is just so comfortable swimming. It was the most embarrassing thing.
Yeah, dude, I still have a real mental block about my body. That's the reason why I never learned how to swim. And then I was like, dude, I'm not going to live my life like this. Like, I can't keep going to all these places and not getting into the water.
Yeah,
so I was
yeah.
like, fuck it, dude, दूसरे लोग को देखना है.
हाँ,
मैं तो
कब तक सनबाथ चेयर पे बैठे रहेंगे.
और स्टीम डेक पे सनबाथ चेयर पे
Playing a swimming simulator.
हाँ यार, it is fun. अच्छा तो लग रहा है. फ्रेश भी लग रहा है मुझे काफी. बॉडी पेन्स कम
इसमें
हो
भी
गए.
नए स्विम सूट से हर बार. But man, I also have 2. See, I'm telling you, I have 2 swimming trunks. Whatever you do, इसका आधा, इसका आधा.
और तेरा आधा मेरे पास है.
I have 2. One I got from Blinkit only, and one I
Yeah.
got from thing when I went to Goa or something. वहाँ से लिया था because I didn't have anything, and then I took it, I wore it, I beach पे जो भी वो सब हुआ. फिर निकलते टाइम ऐसे कुछ अजीब ही लग रहा है ये स्विमिंग ट्रंक. Then I checked. वो टैग नहीं, वो जो रहता है ना पूरा, वो जो मैग्नेट केस से वो लोग निकालते हैं शॉप्स में, वो पूरा ही है वहां पर। तो ये चोर साला कहीं से चोरी करके मेरे को दे दिया, निकाला भी नहीं है। I just swam with that around me. I look like a thief कि मैं
तू
कहीं
खुद
से
का एंकर लेके गया था उसके अंदर।
मैं कहीं ज़ारा से चुराया। देन आई केम बैक, मैं वो शू वाले रहते हैं ना, उसको बोला कि ये निकालो, वो निकालते हैं। Basically, you can steal from any shop and then go to your shoe guy and be like, ये निकाल
You
दो।
can look at a video on the internet also and figure out how to remove it because we had bought some clothes from Target in 2023 और उन लोगों ने भी निकालने को भूल गए वो लोग। तो we did that at home। बहुत मुश्किल है, but like there's some burning involved and some shaking and some hitting and all that।
Oh,
फिर वो
yeah,
निकल
this
जाता
guy
है।
तो he just
Yeah,
fucking
I
hates
prefer
it
his
and
method. Yeah, just go to a guy and get it done.
Yeah, dude, I have a similar story, but इसमें गलती मेरी थी, शॉपकीपर की नहीं थी, ठीक है। मैं सैन फ्रांसिस्को में था और मैं ट्रेन में बैठा, सॉरी मैं सैन होजे में शो कर रहा था पर मुझे सैन फ्रांसिस्को जाना था। मैं ट्रेन में बैठा, ठीक है, ब्यूटीफुल डे, आई एम हैविंग अ ग्रेट टाइम। आई गॉट टू सैन फ्रांसिस्को, आई एम वॉकिंग अराउंड having fun. I have my AirPods in and I'm listening to music and I'm like, what a life,
Yeah.
dude. Like, this is insane.
best,
Like,
yeah.
I'm doing what I love and I get to be here, just feeling happy and grateful, feeling good about myself, wearing a new hoodie that I was really feeling myself. And I'm like, this is great, okay? And I was also wearing new jeans. And then I just feel a tap on my shoulder and then this girl looking really sheepish, she's like, excuse me, I'm sorry, but I don't mean to embarrass you, but you know, you have a tag hanging from your jeans where I can just see the price of them, you know, and obviously it's, you know, it's here, so I can't really pull it out for you, it'd be awkward, so, you know, I just thought I'd let you know. And I'm like, oh shit, thanks. Now I'm walking on the street, tugging at my own ass like this, looking in shop windows, right? Like just to see कि कौन सा tag है, किधर है. There's just a tag that says $69.95 on my ass, you know.
the worst placement
Yeah.
for a tag also.
Yeah, right. Like from the asshole down the hamstrings like this, and I'm pulling at it, and then I finally got rid of it, and then I'm like, okay, now I needed to pull my t-shirt up,
Yeah.
because obviously जो यहाँ पे लगा रहता है, जो इधर ऐसे जाता है ना, वो भी तो रहेगा, और वो आधा अंदर रहता है, तो मैं टी-शर्ट ऊपर कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, इसको ऐसे उखाड़ रहा हूँ, अंदर से निकाल रहा हूँ. People are just walking on the street like, there's homeless people looking at me like, what the fuck is wrong with that guy, you know, like. Clearly mentally ill people who are on drugs are judging me.
Oh yeah, yeah. California kills you.
It's just fucking
But
embarrassing,
so
dude.
sweet of that lady.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे लोग फोटो खींचना स्टार्ट कर देते
हाँ,
थे.
वही.
I think 5-6 मिनट पीछे चली हो गया and she's like, dude, this is
क्या करूं?
बस ऐसा tag ऐसा होए जा रहा है पीछे.
And it had been a good like hour and a half of me like going to different places. Like I had gone to shops, I went to a cafe, I ate salad. Like I did a lot of things.
But when
with
had
the
you
tag.
bought the jeans? मतलब
I
इसके
bought the
कितने
jeans
पहले?
in another city, like a couple of days before that. And that was the first time I wore them.
हाँ, okay, first time.
ऐसा नहीं कि
हाँ,
मैं
3-4 बार पहन
1.5
के।
महीने से पहन के घूम रहा.
Hey, I can see when it
वो
was
तो मैं notice कर
manufactured. It was manufactured 5 years ago. You've been wearing it, but you didn't go on stage. Is what I was.
No. Thankfully, no.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
would have
yeah,
been. Although it would have probably led to the biggest laugh of the night.
Yeah,
But that's fine.
While leaving, they just noticed that.
Actually, dude, that's happened to me.
What?
This has happened to me.
No
I
way.
was on stage in 2019 in Melbourne.
Yeah.
And I had just bought a shirt, okay, and I was wearing a jacket on top of it because it was cold. Halfway through the show, I started feeling really hot, so I took the jacket off and I put it on the mic stand. And then from the jacket sleeve, I could just see a tag hanging like that. And then I just pulled it out and be like, I just bought this today, guys. Now that you mention it, this has also happened.
I think you forget to remove tags.
Yeah, I just don't see them sometimes. I'm just like, yeah, I'm very forgetful. Dude.
I don't forget to remove tags, but a lot of times I take new t-shirts, shirts or something and I wear it. बाद में I realize yeah, L का sticker पूरा लगा हुआ है. That's worse. पूरा L लिखा हुआ है वहाँ पर. That is worse. कि
So, I'm learning how to wear.
I'm
this
learning how to wear a shirt.
It's better than having 3XL big and tall. You know,
Got it.
I mean, yeah, it is.
fat fucks plus size store.
And then sometimes you have
Fat
to
bastard shopping center.
yeah, sometimes those extra sizes, 4XL, 5XL, like, oh, dude.
But you have lost a lot of weight.
Oh, thanks, man. I the thing is, I was actually doing really well with my trainer till about like, you know, probably October, November 2023, I had gone down to a lot like lower weight than this. And then what happened is pure stress. I had to upload a video. I had to go on tour. And until then, I was managing touring quite well. I was eating healthy. I was working out. But then the sheer volume of touring that's happened since probably September till right now it's been so overwhelming, and I just can't get any momentum going. So I had lost about, what was it, like 22, 23 kilos, and I had gained about 8 or 9 kilos in muscle. And now I have gained back about 8 or 9 kilos in fat. So, yeah, so that's
insane. 22.
Yeah, I mean,
kilos.
बढ़ाए भी मैंने ही थे.
Of course.
But yeah, it's a desperately disappointing feeling because it's like, fuck man, it was really hard. That's the thing, when you don't know how hard it's going to be, you're just like, मैं कर लूँगा,
मैं कर लूँगा.
मैं स्टार्ट आदमी हूँ. But now I know what it took, and now I'm like, मैं नहीं कर लूँगा. ये कैसे होगा, you know, वापस. पर वही है, I want to get back there at least first. And then, so basically after I come back from this trip, I'll start doing that regularly. I'm giving myself 3 months to get back to the weight I used to be, and then start going forward from there. So it's like a very like up and down sort of thing, you know. You have good phases and bad phases.
Yeah, that too
Pretty
you do.
much
I
how it
think
works.
that's a better way of doing it. कि बीच में थोड़ा सा gap you become normal. क्योंकि if you just obsess over losing weight, you go a little crazy. It's okay if you like take breaks where it's okay.
Also, it's
and
very
then-
difficult with the comedian's lifestyle.
Yes.
Yeah,
because
touring
of the
this
traveling,
much.
different cities everywhere, and if you're going to a new city, you want to try their food. Dude, how many
Of
times
course,
are you gonna
dude.
get a
Like,
chance
see,
to
this
do
is
that?
the other problem. So now I have to make sure I'm walking 15,000 steps a day.
Yeah.
Because I'm not going to be eating salads in Italy. I'm not a fucking
Yeah.
loser. You know?
Gelato चाहिए lunch के लिए.
हाँ, pizza, gelato,
Pizza,
pasta,
pasta, सब.
fucking fried cod, you know, everything. Wine. I don't even drink, but you know,
वहाँ जाके चाहिए.
मैं वहाँ जाके पीता हूँ मैं. वही of course, पागल थोड़ी हूँ. तो वही है यार. मेरे को पता है, मेरा ऐसा आउटलुक ऐसा हो गया है कि पहले मैं सोच रहा था कि 2 साल में पतला हो जाऊंगा, 2.5 साल में. अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ अपने आप को तो 8 साल में पतला होगा या 6 साल में पतला होगा, चलेगा, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है. तू नेट प्रॉफिट में रहे हमेशा, लाइक अ पोकर प्लेयर. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन कि
Yeah.
मैंने 20 घटाया था ना, अभी मैं 12 पे हूँ. 12 का प्रॉफिट ही है ना. 8 इट्स लाइक द स्टॉक मार्केट. 8 का लॉस हुआ, अभी 2-3 से शेयर प्राइस बढ़ाना है. यू नो, लाइक अगला खाली स्टेप देखो तुम कि अगला 1 किलो मैं कम कहाँ पे करूंगा. यू नो, दैट्स इट. Just look at it like you're managing a business or a company, and be a little bit nicer to yourself, because I am very fortunate to have the life I have. But if I don't enjoy it, I'm a fucking loser.
Honestly,
You know what I mean?
It'd be worse if you're like, hey, मैंने इटली में 1 kg lose किया है. Like, छी,
पागल हो गया.
इटली में कौन weight lose करके कौन आता है?
वही यार,
That is just horrible. वहाँ तो gain करके आते हैं.
वहाँ पे बहुत fresh ingredients मिलते हैं, और वहाँ का salad इतना अच्छा होता है, और you know,
Kale. Ooh.
crisp lettuce. It's like what?
It's very tough to lose weight
yeah, man.
anyway. I get that,
I
but
used to weigh 120 kgs, and then I only cycled and did a bit of dieting for like 7 months.
Wow.
And it was the worst time of my life because
Yeah.
I just moved to Bombay, and मैं जयपुर में बाहर तक कुछ था नहीं वहाँ उस टाइम पे कुछ भी नहीं था करने के लिए when I was growing up, and यहाँ पे like there are all these new cafes, new places I could go to, and I was living off of my dad's money at the time.
Yeah.
Like, I want to use this money.
Yeah.
So it was just painful to not be able to do it. But even though I've lost that weight, I still feel I'm fat. Like it
नहीं वो
just,
तो remains, I think. That
it just never
remains.
goes away from your brain.
Every person who's lost weight always says
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
just
it never
unreal.
goes away.
Yeah, that's really sad. Like, I'm like, yaar, what's it gonna take? You know?
Yeah, what's the
Exactly.
point? I also lost 16 kgs when I was younger, and I haven't gained that back, but it's the same.
Yeah, I can tell from the way you dress that you think you're fat.
Yeah.
The
You never wear
oversized,
anything that fits you.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. This is how I dress, dude. I always wear things that are way too big for me because
Same.
I'm so conscious of the shape of my
Yeah.
body being visible.
But I also realized I got so thin. If I wear thoda body hugging things, it looks so ridiculous because I'm so thin that it's too body hugging. कुछ नहीं है, मुंह इतना बड़ा, body इतना सा. So I have to wear something that's in the middle where it doesn't
Yeah.
look crazy.
The first 4 years of me living in Bombay, I was only wearing sweatshirts.
Yeah.
Which is the dumbest thing to do here.
I know.
But I was like, I can't put myself out there like that with this
But
body.
good thing about comedy is at least those rooms you perform in, they have
And
ACs.
ACs,
So
yeah.
you
Yeah.
can be like,
Especially
यहाँ
the
के लिए.
small rooms
Yeah.
like integral वहाँ ऊपर.
Yeah. Dude, my favorite kind of clothes to wear are hoodies only.
It's
Always
the best. I
like.
feel so comfortable in
Yeah,
that.
because like
like
they
a
have
warm
this
hug.
plausible deniability where anybody who looks at a fat guy in a hoodie is like, maybe
Is
he
he?
just is really muscular. Under there, you know? maybe it's not just pure donuts and shit. You know,
maybe it's 3 layers of clothes. उसके वजह से हुआ रहेगा 4 layers.
What's your product, Govind?
I have a product that I wanted to try, which is like I have an electric toothbrush now.
right?
I mean, I have. Honestly, this is my 4th electric toothbrush. So
You
now
lost
that
the
I
charger,
think of
what?
it, huh?
You lost the charger.
हाँ अरे I think someone else also talked about it somewhere, I don't remember, but waking up and then realizing you have to charge your electric toothbrush is the worst fucking feeling.
You
कि
also
अब-
spoke about it, right?
No, someone else also talked about it. I remember seeing it somewhere also. It's true. 15-20 मिनट फिर रुको
Yeah.
कि मैं ब्रश नहीं कर पा रहा यहाँ पर. तो वो तो मतलब that's the last effort वाला part, brush वो हटा दिया. Now toothpaste का भी effort निकालना. There's a toothpaste squeezer that you can just put on the wall. You put your toothpaste का ये यहाँ पर and it just squeezes it out. You put your
Was
brush.
it getting to be really difficult to just do this?
दोनों हाथ यूज करने पड़ रहे थे ना उस टाइम पे. एक हाथ से रील देखनी है ना, कैसे करेगा?
I just like these things which I know I won't use after 3 tries, but it's mad that someone makes these things, man. कि ये
The thought is very middle class.
Yeah,
I get it.
yeah.
The
Yeah.
thought is to save money. Use the toothpaste as the last
and
drop.
this is also toothpaste squeezer,
Yeah.
which I have not understood how.
Squeezer.
It's a squeezer. This is the easier one to use, bro.
Both were cheap, but
Oh,
I don't
you-
get
so
this.
I'll tell you what. So I wanted in my bathroom. I wanted the वो जो malls में wall पे वो जो नहीं रे soap dispenser रहता है वो खुद से
Sensor वाला?
सेंसर वाला वो
अच्छा,
चाहिए
वैसा
था.
vibe चाहिए था.
वो
Okay,
चाहिए था, but then I was like ये बहुत महंगा हो रहा है, तो I was like ये wall पे कुछ तो डाल देता, तो मैं ये
Last week
toothpaste
he got an
squeezer.
ashtray which goes on the wall.
Yeah.
You're making
I'm
a
changing my
bathroom
bathroom.
candle.
Do you even smoke? Okay. I was like, अच्छा. Ashtray दीवार पे डालने के
Ashtray वो भी टॉयलेट शेप्ड ही है, वो बस वो वॉल पे जाता है. I just wanted an ashtray there. Yeah, I'm changing my bathroom
Yeah,
entirely. I bought new buckets which are black.
Whoa.
Black buckets क्योंकि
Ooh,
I was
that's
like
classy.
ये माँ बाप का ये पिंक वाला bucket जो वो लोग ने रखा है.
Dude, I
वो
feel
नहीं.
you, man. Yeah, ये pink, turquoise. नहीं.
ये नहीं रह सकता. बाकी सब बदला मैंने घर में. ये गंदा सा पिंक मग ऐसा
वो
रखा
bucket
हुआ.
नहीं, वो बाल्टी है.
वो गंदा वाला नहीं रह सकता.
Now
I
you have a
want-
matte finish bucket over.
Yeah, black.
Oh,
full black.
nice.
I don't even use buckets. It's for no, but my maid when
Yeah.
like if
Yeah.
she wants to use a bucket or something तभी के लिए.
Yeah,
But
she should
I-
feel cool while doing
Yeah,
it.
just changing my bathroom. बाकी सब मैंने घर का थोड़ा चेंज कर दिया था. बाथरूम भी बचा हुआ था, तो I don't know if this will work though.
Have you used
Electric-
them ever? You just got
अरे
them.
I have to put it.
So
Oh, okay.
I have
It's
used
adhesive.
this.
You have,
in
no, you
college.
told me you
हाँ,
have,
in
yeah.
college and it does not work क्योंकि तेरे को जितना space चाहिए होगा ना उतना कभी नहीं आता. Either it will be like one drop or it will be half the bottle. It'll
But-
never be exactly how you
But
want
with
it.
brushing, sometimes I brush twice. Like I finish and I'm like, ये कम था, so I take it again. Does no one do that?
I do exactly that.
You do
I
it,
also
no?
shampoo twice because I'm like
Okay,
one
that
to
is-
remove the yesterday's whatever hair product and then the fresh one is to actually
अबे ऐसे
shampoo.
थोड़ी अब 10
That's
दिन बाद शैम्पू करेगा, 10 बार करेगा क्या? एक दिन
hair
का.
product नहीं लगा रहा ना. The same thinking is for toothbrushing. I'm like one to erase yesterday's memory.
Yeah. Yesterday's memory.
Whatever it was.
What?
You know, come in my mouth or whatever. You know. And
Yesterday's
I'm
memory.
saying whatever you ate yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, one is to erase that, and one is to then have a fresh coat.
नहीं वो
of
एक साथ हो जाता है.
toothpaste.
हाँ.
But that's what. Then why are you brushing twice?
Yeah. Also the
Because वो पेस्ट कम पड़ गया मेरे को कभी कभी.
ऐसा. Oh, mine is way.
Mine is also bad only. I'm not
Mine is
saying मेरा कोई असली ये है,
Mine is
but
तो wait, तू हाथ से सही अमाउंट नहीं निकाल पा रहा है.
अरे मैं
toothbrush
बहुत
पे.
निकाल देता हूँ dude. It's
Oh.
so much and वो भी कम पड़. I'm a little I think addicted to. I like the
Mint.
Colgate Max Fresh वाला ये.
Minty ना?
Just
सुबह
makes
minty
my
मस्त
mouth
लगता
taste
है,
good.
हाँ.
So I just do too much of it. It's खत्म कर देता हूँ मैं जल्दी. तो as like ये at least एक decent amount देगा मेरे को,
नहीं.
which
Dude, I have a recommendation. Try this toothpaste called Marvis.
Marvis.
Yeah, Marvis. It's expensive,
Very expensive.
but that shit is Colgate Max Fresh, Wax Fresh सब पानी भरते हैं उसके सामने. ठीक है, इतना ज्यादा एवलांच आ जाएगा ना तेरे मुंह में. फुल एंटार्क्टिक स्टॉर्म है वो मुंह के अंदर. आंधी भाई. ठीक है, इतना सा तो यूज करेगा ना.
Yeah.
It's just freshness like through your nose and eyes and shit.
Oh.
It's insane. I think you'll get it at Food Square.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Marvis.
Marvis.
मिलता है।
हाँ, इंडिया में
हाँ।
मिलता है। मैंने बाहर से लिया था,
हाँ।
लेकिन फिर माय गर्लफ्रेंड वेंट टू फूड स्क्वायर एंड शी इज लाइक उधर भी था, अलग-अलग फ्लेवर्स में था और ये
अलग
वो।
अलग फ्लेवर्स भी है उसमें
Dude, it is my favorite thing I own.
Oh.
It's that good.
Yeah, I just loved क्योंकि सुबह I love the उससे
Yeah.
I get fresh तो
अरे
Yeah.
dude, it's changed my mornings. Like I'll brush with Marvis and then I'll be like कुछ काम करते हैं यार लाइफ में, मैं एक citizen of this world हूँ. You know? वो क्या Sensodyne उसके पहले.
नहीं चाहिए नमक मेरे को
Yeah.
Oh, I'll tell my parents क्योंकि I started using Max Fresh. They also were like, it's great.
Yeah.
They started using Max Fresh. Now I'll tell them what.
Marvelous.
Actually, they are in the US right now. I'll tell them कि
अरे dude, वहाँ पे तो सस्ता मिलेगा.
Yeah, I'll tell them.
मैं जब भी abroad जाता हूँ, मैं 4-5 ट्यूब 6 ट्यूब मार्विस का लेके आता हूँ.
I'll ask them to get me Marvis.
It's awesome, dude. It's fucking awesome. Dude, by the way, the electric toothbrush problem, I also have 4 electric toothbrushes.
telling you,
it's the same. And you know what? None of them are charged. And now I use them as
regular
analog toothbrushes. I don't even wait the 20 minutes. I'm like, brush to hai hi na ye.
But with some electric toothbrushes ना, I think they've made sure of it.
हाँ,
क्योंकि
तो-
when I try to just use it as analog, इसमें
Yeah.
नहीं होता अच्छे
वो
से.
bristles
बहुत
move नहीं
छोटा है
करते
ना
हैं।
उसका
हाँ,
surface
इतना सा
area.
है।
तो ज्यादा हर जगह ज्यादा
जाता
देर
नहीं
के लिए
है।
ब्रश करना पड़ता है.
But why don't you guys get those electric toothbrushes जो स्टैंड पे आते हैं जो चार्ज होते रहते
क्या?
हैं
मेरे
side
पास
by
है
side?
स्टैंड. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं घर में.
ये stand जहाँ चार्ज होता है.
And it comes with a dock जिसके ऊपर तू रख सकता है
अच्छा
charges.
ये भी खरीदता हूँ फिर कौन सा मैं परफोरा का या किसी का
हाँ,
जो भी मुझे
मेरा
मिला
भी
मैं ले
Perfora
लेता
का
हूँ
ही है।
हाँ, मेरे पास परफोरो का था, मैंने कोलगेट का लिया, तो उसमें वो डॉक आता है, उसको परमानेंटली एक सॉकेट में कनेक्ट करके टूथब्रश को उस पे खड़ा कर सकते हैं.
Yeah. जैसे iPod के डॉक आते थे
नहीं नहीं समझा मुझे डॉग पता है क्या
iPod को पता नहीं होगा शायद
oh but you like have 4 but none of them are charged now.
I just, the most frustrating thing about being alive for me is
Charging.
tasks. Like little annoying, pesky, fuck all tasks. Charge this, fill that form, book that ticket, you know, speak
Yeah.
to that customer care executive. I'm like, all this makes me want to kill myself. You know?
No.
If you tell me, drive me to Mahabaleshwar, happy to do it. But if you tell me like book a ticket online or do IRCTC पे wait, नहीं, please, ये मत करवाओ. Like I would be the worst assistant in the world. You know?
Thank God you're successful.
नहीं
You would
नहीं
not be
पसंद
able to
है.
survive.
I am willing to do really massive things for people as long as they don't make me do tiny things.
Yeah.
You know, that's the thing.
I also have to change like my AC. I bought the wrong AC for my living room,
हाँ.
which is my fault. I bought a 1-ton AC for my living room, which is small, but वो leak हुए जा रहा है. एक बार ठीक किया था, वापस leak हो रहा है अभी. And then I called, I went to Reliance Digital जहाँ से खरीदा था. They said कि WhatsApp number है उस पे करो. That WhatsApp number has never replied to me, dude. Whenever I keep saying
Yeah.
hello, where are you? Nothing, just no reply. I gave up. I was like खत्म ये.
हाँ
this
ठीक है,
is-
यही मेरा AC है, जब
यही
तक ये
है.
फट नहीं जाता.
मैं नीचे मैं नया बकेट लिया put it under the AC ताकि
Grey
वो
color
गिरे.
का एकदम sexy
Yeah.
bucket.
पिंक बकेट में पानी नहीं टपकेगा मेरे
नहीं
लिविंग
नहीं
रूम में.
एक ग्रीन और येलो बकेट इट लुक्स वेरी गुड ताकि
वो तो foldable बनना है.
एटलीस्ट कि जब कोई मेरे घर आए दैट एक्चुअली सक्स कि कोई मेरे घर आता है I'm like एक सेकंड ये बकेट लगाता हूँ पार्ट
But it
आवाज
matches the wall.
yeah it matches the wall
Blends in.
I like the thought that both Karunesh and Govind have tons of power banks and tons of electric toothbrushes just
But
staring
they
at each
never
other in the same
put
room.
together, yeah.
They're all in the same room staring at each other.
Sexual tension is palpable.
like the other day I had to make sure I charge my electric toothbrush at night रात को रखा I was like overnight अगर रखूंगा तो
क्या
मैं
charge
4 दिन एक साथ ब्रश कर पाऊंगा I don't have to think about charging my electric toothbrush but
And then you
it-
lost the toothbrush only.
नहीं नहीं
That would
नहीं
be-
it's charged now it's charged it's the 4th day
Sometimes I'll get a spike guard. I'll just be like, एक second, I'm an adult. I will be a father someday. What am I doing? And I'll get a spike guard and then I'll just put all my devices on it.
Yeah.
And I wake up feeling like Ambani, dude. I wake up feeling like the richest. I'm like, I have so much battery right now. Like, you don't even
Take
know.
over the world.
You don't even know. Nobody knows how poor they are compared to me. I am the richest.
Yeah, with the
You
fucking
know?
12% battery.
everything is charged
Yeah.
is amazing dude
Yeah.
I don't know how you guys live like that, dude. All my devices are charged at any given point.
Really?
I get anxiety if my controller isn't charged. I get anxiety कि oh fuck मैं
That's
खेलूंगा
insane.
तो मैं कहाँ पे चार्ज करूँ?
मैं कल PS चालू किया था, कंट्रोल चालू किया, उस लाइक चार्ज है। मैंने तो कब किया था भाई, लास्ट यूज आई हैड नो क्लू। That's great. But क्या you charge everything all the time?
Before going to sleep, I put all my devices to charge. वो जो भी charge पे नहीं है, be it my water flosser, toothbrush.
Water flosser चार्ज लगता है?
तो और कैसे?
मैंने मेरे पास भी है but I've never
चार्ज
charged.
नहीं किया, तुझे पता कैसे चलेगा?
मैंने यूज ही कम
मेरे
किया
पास 2 पड़े हैं। दोनों मैंने आखिरी 2019 में यूज किए थे।
मैंने भी बहुत पहले
उनके
use
अर्जे पुर्जे हर जगह बिखरे हुए पड़े हैं और मुझे पता नहीं, मैं 2 होने के बावजूद एक वाटर फ्लॉसर जोड़ के बना नहीं सकता अपने घर के अंदर। यही है, मैं कहा दांत सड़ेंगे मेरे, ठीक है, मेरा अल्टीमेट डिसीजन दांतों पे ये है कि ये गिर जाएंगे जब तक मैं 45 साल का होऊंगा। ठीक है, ये मेरा प्लान है।
Flosser बहुत हो गया है यार, flosser is too much for me. I have
Yeah.
that what do you call it?
Dentafloss.
हाँ
Dental
वही
floss. Yeah,
enough.
मेरे को वो नहीं पसंद. I'm very scared of using that.
Oh, so that's actually very easy.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
water flosser
Oh,
has done.
precise.
My teeth are disgusting, dude. The doctor told me कि Invisalign is not enough to align these teeth.
You need visible line.
Yeah, he said braces. You can Invisalign
open.
won't be enough. I was like, then I'm not doing anything, dude. If braces थोड़ी लगा के, he was like, no, it's white. Like, it's still braces. दिखेगा white है तो क्या हुआ?
Dude, I have an unpopular opinion. I really like teeth that are like yours.
Oh.
Yeah, or like Gautam Govindan.
Yeah.
Like I really like. I think it looks cool on people. In fact,
It gives them a personality for
yeah.
sure.
In fact, even women like that I've had a crush on when I was like girls when I was in school or college, a lot of them had fucked up teeth, and I found something about it was really cute to me. I was like, this is nice.
It's just कि वो ठीक भी नहीं किया वाला ये, I guess.
Every year he goes less attractive to him as the teeth become better in school.
अरे यार उसके braces लगा लिए यार उसने.
ठीक हुए जा रहा है. अरे it's a lot of effort to fix this also.
Yeah.
Braces and then
Yeah.
Invisalign. Fuck it, just मैं clean करते रहता हूँ हर 5 महीना. I go to the dentist, clean,
Yeah.
done. That's enough. Gautam Govindan is also, I think, related to me. So I think it's the same.
family.
It's
Yeah.
the
Is he
same.
actually related to you?
Might be same hometown. Family knows each other in
Oh
some
wow.
sense.
Okay.
In some sense, तो उधर इधर knows each other. There'll be some relation
Okay.
somewhere.
Nice.
तुम्हारी कोई आंटी या मासी कुछ तो है ना similar.
हाँ कुछ तो है
Like
भाई,
distant cousin.
कुछ तो
Yeah.
कई. उसके डैड का नाम गोविंद मैंने नहीं है. वो पूरे त्रिशूर में आई थिंक यही है फैमिली. 3-4 नाम ही चलते हैं. गौतम गोविंदन का गोविंदन इज गोविंद मेनन. उसके डैड का नाम. डू यू हैव अ प्रोडक्ट?
Yeah, my product. So last couple of weeks, I've been very stressed about just work, life. Vijay Mallya को पैसे नहीं मिल रहा है for some reason. So and also Instagram just knows now whatever you're going through. Not even the things you want, it just knows. So it suggested this stress relief gel. Okay. But what's weird is I was stressed about not having money. 800 on the stress relieving gel.
It's 800.
Holy shit.
What is this? You can't press this.
Have you tried it?
I tried it a couple of times, but I love the marketing. Okay, first it says only 93% of the people have found it effective. So if I don't find it effective, I'm in the 7%.
Yeah.
93 is
Yeah.
a percentage I've never seen actually.
And you start to see the effects after like 3 weeks. So by the time the bottle is over, so I
yeah.
can't even return it.
Exactly.
So I
3
don't-
weeks.
Yeah. So I have
Why?
to put it. I also because of this I found out what temples are on my face. I had no idea.
You
because
didn't
of
know this was your
this-
temple.
These are your temples.
I thought this was
मैंने
temple.
आज ही
bro,
Google
He's like,
किया.
I'm an atheist. I don't believe in temples.
I just did. I had no clue this was
What,
the
you don't know
temple.
what are you guys talking about?
मेरे को कुछ idea नहीं था temples क्या
Dude,
है.
I thought-
I googled.
I thought when you said stress relieving
Yeah.
gel, thought like a stress ball, like
No,
it's a
no,
gel
it's a
thing.
proper gel. You put it on your wrist
Yeah, it
and
says-
you put it on your temples. But the view is strange because when I'm putting it, I'm like, what am I? I'm not stressed anymore because what am I doing with my life? That's what I'm thinking about. मैं therapy ले लेता हूँ यार.
Exactly. मैं वही कहने लगा.
Gel on my face.
और 3 हफ्ते में मोस्ट स्ट्रेसेस तो वैसे भी पास हो जाते हैं.
कोई नया आ जाएगा.
प्रोजेक्ट आ जाएगा मेरे पास.
वही,
I'll
वही.
figure something
Be
out.
like, ये जेल बहुत इफेक्टिव है यार. सडनली रिलायंस मुझे 6 लाख रुपए दे रहा है इस जेल की वजह से. क्या बात है. मैं तो इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकता हूँ इससे. अमेजिंग.
कैंसलिंग मीटिंग्स की रुक जाओ मेरा थोड़ा 5 मिनट रुक जाओ, मैं थोड़ा स्ट्रेस रिलीविंग
You're
जेल.
negotiating price. They're like, नहीं इतना नहीं. Suddenly pull the gel out. You're like,
अब नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट में तो 800 बढ़ा के बोल दे क्योंकि you have to.
Cover the money for it.
It looks fancy.
It looks fancy. It also not only does it just relieve you of anxiety and stress, it also helps with your dark circles. I don't know how these
Wow.
two things are connected.
बस कुछ भी डाल दो एक्स्ट्रा ये लोग.
And on the website it also said they're selling one every 5 minutes.
या बिकॉज 3 वीक में खत्म हो जाता है ना, वापस खरीदना ही पड़ रहा है लोगों को.
Addicted to it.
It's 10 ml.
Yeah.
that's the sort of the most unverifiable claim of all
Yes,
time. Right?
yes.
हर 5 मिनट में हम एक बेच रहे हैं
हाँ.
या मुफ्त में बांट रहे हैं.
और मैंने 800 का लिया, कल मैंने चेक किया 600 में बेच रहे हैं वो लोग, because there's a site wide discount going on.
अरे
Right after
dude,
I bought it.
600. I never get ads like these, dude. This you get.
I'm telling you, dude, Instagram just knows what you're going through. If you hate someone, it'll start selling you a dartboard with that person's face on it. It just knows.
Packaging तो अच्छा है.
Increases serotonin, reduces cortisol, balances neurotransmitters.
It smells like fresh summer itself.
Up to 70% reduction in cortisol production with continuous use. पर 70% से भी बड़ा asterisk है उसके बगल.
70%
नीचे तो asterisk पे देखिएगा लिखा होगा in our opinion.
up to
In our research of this one person,
neuro calm.
That's what we like to think.
also it's vegan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
अगर चाटना
Sure.
हो.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, dude.
But it's a cool bottle. I like the color.
It is.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
उत्तर प्रदेश में बना है.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
नहीं, marketed by उत्तर
हाँ?
marketed by
But the
Susashan
state
Sales.
of Uttar Pradesh.
अरे नहीं रे, कोई तो है. Manufactured in Noida. हाँ ठीक है.
Okay.
It actually
हाँ
looks like a
मतलब
little
स्ट्रेस
bit
तो होता है लोगों को. मौत का.
स्ट्रेस है.
like- it actually looks like makeup glitter, right?
किसी को गलत तरीके से देख लिया उसने बंदूक निकाल ली.
रुक जा, अब मान लिया,
एक्चुअली
ठीक है.
नहीं उनके सर पे कि अब आप 3 वीक रुको. 3 वीक के बाद मिलते हैं, ठीक हो जाएगा आपका स्ट्रेस. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं,
3 weeks
झगड़ा
later,
मत
they're
करो.
like, actually, you're right, dude. I didn't want to kill you. Actually, I was just
Actually,
stressed.
800 रुपए में you can convince him to murder someone else. You can be like, actually मेरा पंगा है बहुत सालों से.
ये तो मेरा प्राइस है, ये 1000 रुपए 200 रुपए डिस्काउंट दे देता हूँ.
I'll just tell you what
Yeah,
is
yeah.
the context. So every time I go to Jaipur, they have this new slang they have started using out of nowhere. ठीक है, तो अभी मैं किसी शादी में गया था. So every time they want to flex about something, if they bought a new property or they started a new business and they are making a lot of money, they're like, हल्का मूतते हैं क्या भाई?
It's just the most random phrase I've heard.
What the fuck does
What
that
the
even
fuck
mean?
does that mean?
हल्का ही. I hope हल्का मूत है. I hope झरना नहीं निकल रहा वहाँ से. You know, otherwise you have massive problems. What is this, like a botched circumcision? कि they took out too much और अब मैं बहुत भारी मूत रहा हूँ यार. अब एकदम पाइप की तरह निकल रहा है. ये क्या है?
Yeah, it's actually not a flex कि बहुत भारी मूत रहा हूँ आजकल में, क्या हो गया?
Hospital जाओ भाई.
It's similar to the phrase like अरे हल्के में मत ले.
हल्के
हाँ,
में.
yeah, yeah.
हाँ वही. but-
मेरे कमोड में सुनामी आ गया. बहुत भारी मूत दिया मैं यार. मेरा परिवार मेरे मूत में डूब गया है.
Oh man, but okay. Okay.
Great point to end.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming,
Thanks
dude.
for having me, guys. This was a lot
This
of
was
fun.
so much
Thank
fun,
you
man.
so much.
Do you whatever you want? No, you're good.
If you've seen it till here.
Oh yeah, if
Yeah.
you've seen it till here, please comment hashtag halka mutte. Please just comment that so that we know you reached the end. A lot of people reached the end. Thank you. Yeah. Hashtag halka mutte.
Mutte,
Yeah. क्या डालना है तो डालो, नहीं डालना है मत डालो, but halka mutte डाल दो.
Make it a statement, not a question.
Yeah. Thank you for coming, man.
Yeah.
This was fun. If you, I mean, you're going to like
Have fun on
vacation
vacation.
now.
Actually, you're gonna ask
Yeah,
me to
have
pitch
fun.
Something? Don't. You just have fun.
Have fun on vacation.
Thanks, guys.